Good morning. Today is Friday, June 2nd, 2023. I'm here at Ortega River Marina, and before I go, I'm still on Dreamweaver. I just wanted to go ahead and just do a video of the waterline, because in my last video I did miss a few spots on it, but I want to go ahead and just document it because going later into the season, this waterline is going to get a little bit worse, a little faster, just because of it being a hot season and the growth getting so rapid. So let's go ahead and take a look at it now.